Hey everyone, it's Rapi Sam Steel, and today I'll show you how to perfectly mount and balance the Canon R6 Mark II with the Canon RF 24 to f2.8 in vertical mode using the DJI RS4 Mini. A lot of you ask how to shoot portrait videos for reels and shoots with a heavy setup, so let's make it simple. First, remove the base plate and install the vertical quick release plate on the side arm of RS4 Mini. This will allow you Canon R6 Mark II to sit vertically instead of usually horizontal setup. Now, mount your Canon R6 Mark II with the 24-70 f2.8 lens attached. Because this is a little bit front heavy, hold the lens while tightening the plate. Make sure it's locked firmly, no movement or wobble. Start with the tilt axis. Slide the camera slightly backward to the offset of the heavy lens. Next, adjust the roll so your camera stays level. And finally, fine-tune the pan. When your camera stays steady, at any angle, you're perfectly balanced for vertically shooting. Now turn on the DJI RS4 Mini. It usually automatically detects the vertical orientation. No settings needed. Try to view pans, tilt, and walk shots. You'll see how stable it even with a full frame camera and pro lens. And that's it. The Canon R6 Mark II and 24-70 f2.8 works beautifully on the DJI RS4 Mini in portrait mode. Perfect for reels, TikToks, and Instagram videos. And this help you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more real-world gear tutorials. Special thanks to the Puncube Mech Wallet, a LensGo Smoke Go, and the K&F Concept Tripod for supporting my vlogs. If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video if you are a content creator or filmmakers. Check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hands AI. Easy to use, and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects.